This video focuses on replacing the back on a Think V2 chair. First, tip the chair onto its right side on a soft furniture pad. Press the seat slide handle under the front of the seat and pull the seat forward to its deepest setting. Locate the seat out stop feature, which is a black tab on the right side of the seat slide rail. Insert a screwdriver below the stop out feature and push it up towards the seat. Simultaneously press the seat slide handle and pull the seat forward off the rails. Remove the two pivot screws on either side of the back frame with the Torx T30 screwdriver. Holding on to the bottom of the back frame, rotate the back frame forward and slide it off the back stops, removing the back. Next, place the new back on the back frame and rotate the back frame back into its upright position. Then tighten the pivot screws on both sides of the back frame. Align the slots into the seat bottom with the slide bearing and push the seat in while holding the seat slide handle. You are now ready to use your Think V2 chair.